Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about principle of operation of DC motor. First of all, what is DC motor? A DC motor is a machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It converts electrical energy into rotational energy. So, it works on the principle of when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. So, when we switch on the motor, the current flows through the armature winding. So, now these are current carrying conductors. When current carrying conductors is placed within the magnetic field, it experiences a force. So, this gives by Lorentz force. Okay, and the direction of rotation of conductor is given by Fleming's left hand rule. So this is Fleming's left hand rule. So this is the thumb, and thumb shows motion of the conductor. Index finger shows direction of magnetic field, and middle finger shows direction of current. So, with the help of Fleming's left hand rule, we are going to know the direction of motion of the conductor. And figure A. So, in this figure A, so this is the north pole, this is the south pole, and this is the flux from north pole to south pole. Remember, flux always starts its journey from north pole and terminates at south pole. Okay, and this is the armature, and these are the conductors around the armature. Here, half of the conductors lying under north pole, which carries current cross. Cross means away from the observer. The direction of current is away from the observer. And remaining half of the conductors are lying under south pole, carrying current dot. Dot means the current direction is towards the observer. So when in figure B, for our convenience, we will take one conductor under north pole. So, it is very difficult to analyze all with the help of all these conductors. That's why we are taking only one conductor under north pole, which carries current away from the observer. Okay? So, when current away from the observer, what is the direction of flux? So, this is right hand thumb rule. So, according to right hand thumb rule, when current direction is away from the observer, what is the direction of flux? The direction of flux is clockwise. So, now the direction of flux is clockwise. This is the armature flux. Okay? So, when the current direction is away from the observer, the direction of flux is clockwise. Okay, so the main flux direction always from north pole to south pole. The direction of armature flux is clockwise direction. Okay, so now when you observe here in right hand side, the armature flux direction and main field direction both are same. Here the flux aids or the flux adds, and when you observe here in left hand side, the armature flux and main field flux both are opposite. Both cancels each other. Here the flux weakens. So in right hand side, the flux strengthens. In left hand side, the flux weakens. So always the conductor moves from high strengthened side to low strengthened side. So always the conductor pushes from RHS side to LHS side. In this way, in the armature, all conductors starts to rotate from right hand side to left hand side, from strengthening of flux side to weakening of flux side. So when we switch on the motor, the current flows through the armature winding. When current flows through the armature winding, the armature flux develops around the conductor. The interaction of main field and armature field. In one side, the flux strengthens. In another side, the flux weakens. Always the conductor pushes or forces from strengthening of flux side to weakening of flux side. So, in this way, the motor starts to rotate. Okay? So, in next video, we are going to discuss about back EMF. What is back EMF? What is the significance of back EMF? Okay, bye now.